health officials are sounding the alarm over the recent rise in new COVID-19 cases, now increasing nearly half the country. And after months of criticism, the White House is finally announcing it's nominating a permanent head of the Food and Drug Administration to help combat the virus. ABC's Em Ninh is in Washington.
After weeks of declines, COVID-19 cases are climbing yet again. At least 22 states are reporting a surge in infections, and 14 states are also seeing a rise in hospitalizations. As cold weather is driving more people to gather indoors, health experts say many factors are to blame for rising cases, like the number of Americans who remain unvaccinated and potentially waning immunity from those who were vaccinated months ago.
We've seen a considerable increase in our hospital COVID numbers.
On Friday, after being heavily criticized for not having a permanent head of the Food and Drug Administration to fight the pandemic, the White House finally announcing it's nominating cardiologist Dr. Robert Califf to be the new FDA commissioner. The department plays a critical role in the approval of vaccines. If confirmed by the Senate, Califf would take on the role, just as President Biden's controversial corporate vaccine mandate deadline is taking effect in January. That mandate would require companies with more than 100 employees to acquire the vaccine. The workers are already pushing back.
No, I will not get the vaccine. I will unfortunately retire earlier than I wanted to.
The president also has a separate COVID-19 mandate for the nation's 2 million federal employees, which is due to come into effect on November 22nd. But the Biden administration tells ABC they aren't expecting a big employee exodus ahead of that deadline because they haven't said when they would enforce it, which poses another question about when employees will have to make a decision.
This will require more certainty for companies and that they will know their workplace is safe, that people will feel safe going to their workplace.
President Biden is urging the Senate to swiftly confirm Dr. Califf. Califf was previously confirmed under the Obama administration by an overwhelming vote of 89-4. Em Ninh, ABC News, Washington.